What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how you can easily add a mobile frame or a phone frame to your video. So let me say you've recorded your video, you've done a screen recording and you would love to add a mobile frame or a phone frame to your video. So this is the perfect video for you. So if you have your video, which is like this is a screen recording as you can see, and you'd love to transform it into something like this, whereby you've added that mobile frame around it. This is the perfect video for you. So go ahead and open up CapCut and then click on a new project, then select the video. So this is the video right here, as you can see. Once you click on it, click on add, then go to format, then go ahead and choose 16:9. That's the format that we'll be using. Go to canvas, and with canvas you can pretty much go ahead and change the color, as you can see. So you can change the color right there, or you can go to background and choose the background that you want to use beside your frame, or you can choose the blur right here. So depending on what you want, you can pretty much choose that. So I'll go with background. So I'll go with this one right here, and once I'm done I'll click on that and then I'll go back. So once I'm done I'll look for stickers. So stickers is right there, click on that and then look for frame, scroll to the right and then look for frames. So look through the frames and then add the mobile frame. So the frame is right there. So once you click on it, you'll be able to see it being applied onto your screen recording. Then click OK and go ahead and adjust your frame to fit your video. So adjust it according to the length of your video. And there you go. So once you're done, adjust your frame to fit your screen recording or to fit your video. So as you can see, I'm using 2 fingers to adjust it. Make sure the angle stays 0, and there you go. So I'll move it around to try and fit it into my video. There you go. And then once I'm done, I'll click on the video right there and then look for mask and then choose rectangle. And once I choose that, I'll be able, and once I choose the rectangle mask, I'll have these arrows right here to guide me adjust the video and fit it into the phone frame according to how I want it. So go ahead and adjust it accordingly. So keep adjusting that mask until you're satisfied with the framing. And once you're done, click on done there, and then you can go back to the start of the video and then try to play it. And once you're done, you can go ahead and click on export. Click on the export arrow. click on done, and now you can go to your gallery to go ahead and access your video.